Hi, I'm Haley Garber and I'm going to be taking over the Unfiltered Experience today. I'm going to show you how to create an upstyle that you can work on right now with longer hair, getting some of that extra hair out of the way and creating a really light, airy, pretty style. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching today, and thank you, Unfiltered Experience, for letting me take over. I loved every second of it. To find me here on social media, just type in Beauty by Haley Garber. Have an awesome day, everybody.